Welcome to a small tutorial to add your complete address for fast and assured delivery. First, fill in your email. The email address will allow us to send you order confirmation and order tracking details. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. We ship worldwide. Then, enter your name. If you're ordering on an office address or it is a business purchase, include your company name in the next box. Next, enter your address. And please follow this format. Mention clearly your house number or flat number. Also mention the floor number if it is a multi-story apartment or building along with your colony or society or apartment complex, which is easily identifiable on Google Maps. And for ease of delivery, mention landmark also in the next box. It helps the delivery executive locate your address faster. Next, enter your city and state name. And next, put your postal PIN code. Your PIN code is most vital. It is always great to verify your PIN code before entering. Finally, add your phone number on which you want the delivery executive to contact you. Your address is now complete. Thank you for your patience and support. Looking forward to delivering your orders faster and safely.